You may not have seen radio in the digital era, but the radio still holds a special place in our heart. Welcome to Mehboob Radio Service, a place where one can get a glimpse into the past, the days when tube TV sets, tape recorders, radios, etc. were common. Opened in 1948, Mehboob Radio Service served customers as prominent as the Hyderabad Viceroy Mir Osman Ali Khan. The brothers, 82-year-old Muhammad Mujibuddin and 71-year-old Muhammad Moinuddin, learned the craft from their father. He started selling and repairing radios in the 1920s after a trip to Bombay, where he bought his first set. More than 7 decades later, Mehboob Radio Service is now the last radio repair shop in Telangana. Moinuddin says people from far-off places come here for repairs. We also get clients from Dubai, Sharjah and other Gulf countries.